Hi, my name is Michaelin Pato, and this is my mini TED Talk on overpopulation, and this is my cat Odin. Think of your favorite outdoor place on Earth. For some people it may be the beach, the mountains, a national park. There are so many places to love. My personal favorite, I think, would have to be the mountains, because I love them so much. Now, picture this. The place that you love, with trash everywhere, pollution, dirty water, wildfires, flooding, any other natural disaster that can happen. The harsh reality of this is that these places will most likely end up this way sooner rather than later. You may want to ask why and how this could happen. The answer is us. We are the problem. The human race is slowly but surely killing the planet. We are depleting our natural resources, and there are not enough renewable ones, and we will soon run out. There are simply just too many people on Earth, and the Earth cannot handle it anymore. Each person on the planet will have a carbon footprint. Now multiply that by 7.9 billion and growing every day. That's a lot of waste, and resources, and space that are being taken up and used. Our planet can no longer sustain us if we keep growing at the rate we have been. There will be nothing left, and that should terrify everyone. The great news is that there are ways to slow down this. For starters, everyone can use contraception and family planning. This is an easy way to slow down our fast-growing population. Education is the key to having a more sustainable future. Educate yourself. Educate your friends. Educate your family. If we want to keep enjoying our planet, we have to start doing things differently so that we can have something to enjoy. Change only happens when we all put in the same effort. So please, educate yourself, educate those around you, so that we may have somewhere that we can all enjoy together. Thank you.